Hey guys, on this episode I'm going to show you a new planter box I'm setting up that's made of stone. So my neighbor has a bunch of stones they don't want and they just wanted to get rid of. So I happily have been going over there and slowly bringing it back piece by piece, the stones, to make a raised bed from rock that won't have any, won't deteriorate over the years, and it looks really nice. So come take a look. So you can see I got the stones all nicely laid out. Goes around the corner here. For those of you who've been following my channel since last year, I had all my tomatoes growing here and some random stuff that didn't do as well. Well, what you can see here, I'm putting cardboard down to cover up the weeds. I've got a concrete little corner there, so I'm not going to plant on top of that. I might use that for something else. I'm going to put down more cardboard because there's a couple little weeds sticking up. There's already a layer of cardboard with some leaves on it, but I want to put down another layer of cardboard because you can see the grass is kind of coming up. And after I cover this, I'm going to lay down all of the dirt on top. I have some dock root over here. I'm not sure if this is bitter dock or yellow dock, but I am going to eat all of this because it is edible and it's actually pretty tasty. You just steam it for like a few minutes. It took about 10 wheelbarrows to fill this up, and I'll take you in for a closer look. Okay, so you can see I got all this beautiful black gold in here, held by the rocks. Looks really nice. Pretty happy with how it turned out. I've got a corner there which is all concrete. So if anyone has any ideas of what I should do there, because I don't really want to put dirt over it, roots won't obviously go down into it. So something I can do something, and I'm not sure what. But if you have any suggestions, let me know in the comments. And just here's the other side. You can get a good view of it. So yeah, that's basically it. I'm not sure what I'm going to plant in here, if it's going to be tomatoes. Once I get my seeds, I'll kind of figure out what needs to go where. So hopefully you enjoyed this video of me creating a raised bed out of rocks. Let me know if you've ever seen anyone else do this before in the comments below. Be sure to subscribe, and until the next one, have a great day.